kind of was a fail. What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. And today we are going to be reviewing this Goozooka slime kit. Yeah, we're gonna be reviewing that today. It's supposed to be glow in the dark slime, but we'll see if it's actually glow in the dark slime. And it comes with all this stuff supposedly, but I'm a little suspect because it's really light. So I'm just gonna open it right now. I don't even know how to open it. Oh, okay, there. Oh. Oh, that's why it was so light. Okay. Wait, how is it? Look, it's like clear, but it comes with white glue. How does that happen? Oops. Okay. Oh, and something really weird happened. So I posted a video on YouTube, and it was like how to not make clear slime or something like that, and then it disappeared. And I don't know where it is now. Whatever. But look at this really small white glue. It's like really small. And it's probably not refilled all the way. Okay. Okay, we have a measuring cup. Some green dye. I think that's what probably makes it clear or whatever. Some of the instructions. The powder. I don't know what that is. The glow-in-the-dark paint. What are these? A spoon, miniature spoon, and sodium tetraborate. Wait, sodium tetraborate. Sodium tetraborate. Wait, is this sodium tetraborate? I think, or borate. I don't know, but it's basically borax. I'm just crushing it so there's not like big beads in it, or like yeah, big stuff. Okay. Now let's read the instructions. It says, wait. Okay. Includes blah, blah, blah. We already know. It's important that you do not eat any. Yeah, do not eat this. Step by step. What? Before experimenting, put glow-in-the-dark paint under the light for a sun under 2 hours. 1 to 2 hours. Are you kidding me? What? I have to put it. Oh my gosh. Okay, now I need to go put it in the freaking light. Oh, that was my food. I need to go put it in the light. I'm not doing that for 1 to whatever 1 to 2 hours. But I'll be back in a second. Okay, I'm back and I don't have it. It's on that light. I'm not putting it in the sun. It's dark outside. So, and I'm not doing this video tomorrow. Anyway, we're still gonna make it. Okay. Whatever, let it soak up the sun fully. Like, wait, use a plastic cup not included in your kit and pour warm water in the cup. Are you actually kidding me? Now I need to go get water. 30 ml of water right now. Okay, I have the water, but it said 30 ml, but it only goes up to 20. So I'm confused. Now it says add 15 ml of glue to the warm water. Does it have a seal on it? Yeah, it does. Of course. I don't know how to get this off. How do you even get this off? Ah. Oops. Okay. Wait. Okay. So the glue, that should be almost about 15 ml of glue. Okay. Oops, I think I put too much water probably. Okay. Ew, I have blue water on me. Okay, now slowly add sodium tetraborate into salty into the mixture. Okay, I'm gonna put a little bit because it says 0.15 grams, so I'm not gonna put a lot here. I'm just gonna sprinkle it if it could even come out. Okay, I think that's enough. Yeah, that's enough. I don't think any got in. Yeah, barely any got in. I just spilled a whole bunch on me. It should be forming. I don't know if it's too watery or what, because I don't know what is happening. It's trying to form, but it's nah. Because this is 0.3 grams. Add a little to there. It's not forming. It's kind of now. Mix, 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 mix. Yeah, I might add a little bit more. Okay, it's done now. The mixture is done. Pretty sure. Okay. Add all the glow in the dark paint to mixture and stir as much as desired. Add sand. Oh, this is the sand. Dang, they give you a lot of sand. To sit for 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, well, I'm gonna go get the paint now. And I'm gonna play with this. And yeah, I'll see you guys in a few. Okay, now I have the thing. I just put it under my lamp because I do not have time to wait that long. Okay, now I'm gonna add it. So if it's not glow in the dark, I can't hate on it because I didn't even wait 1 to 2 hours. I waited 1 to 2 minutes. Wait, I need to add more though. But it actually looks pretty glow in the dark. Look. I don't know if you guys can see. Yeah, you probably can, so I'm not going to show you. How come theirs looks so green? Mine doesn't. Kind of looks green. Okay, whatever. Okay, now it's time to add the sand. I don't even know what the sand is for. Because they give you a lot too. What? Bruh. There. Give me all that sand. This is sand though. It kind of feels like Lucas. Okay, now I'm gonna see how it feels. Oh, that's why the sand. Cause it makes it like I don't know, but it makes it like super like you can like feel the sand and it's really cool. But it said on the box that you can stretch it. Let's see if you can stretch it. I can't stretch it, so that's a bust. That's a fail. And it says squeeze it. Of course, you can squeeze it. Like, if you can't squeeze slime, it's not slime. Or putty. Ooh, this is actually like a really nice texture though. Okay, let's see if it's glow in the dark. So I'm gonna turn all the lights off. Let's see if it's glow in the dark. And the quality is gonna look weird, just so you know. Okay, I actually turned off all the lights, and it's not glowing. The only thing that's glowing, I don't even know if you can see it, but the paint is glowing. Okay, I'm back, and this kind of was a fail. Because you can't even say that I didn't even put it long enough, because the actual, like, this was glowing. Like, it didn't show on the camera because it wasn't like, oh, it was super glowing that it was like light, but it was like, it was glowing still. But like, I think I added too much sand because when I added the paint, it like made the sand like, I don't know, but it made it like spill out. So yeah. I'll be back in a few and I'm gonna put this somewhere so it can light up. Does that sound good? But first I'm gonna add some more paint. Oops. Oh, and the reason why I'm not using the tripod is not because it sucks, but it's because you guys need to see this. Like, you guys need to see this. And if it was on the tripod, you couldn't see it. So I'm gonna be like using the tripod when I'm like not doing experiments and stuff. Okay. Ooh, that feels so nice. No! What happened? Did anything get on it? But look at my hand. See, it's like a bunch of sand. See, you hear that? That's all the sand that's dropping from my hands. Okay, I'll be back, and it should be glow in the dark. Okay, now we have it. You can barely see it, but it's better than what happened last time. So yeah, I'm gonna do the intro like this. Oh, hee. See? Yeah. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this. If you enjoyed it, smash that like button. And leave a comment if you want me to do more videos like this, or if you want me to do other stuff. Goodbye, Slider.